We're going to start with illustration 9. Illustration 9 here, from the following department expenses of 3 machines, compute machine hour rate in their respective of these machines. Fine. So we are doing the same sum which you have done previously on previous few sessions before. Fine. Now depreciation of machinery, depreciation of building, repairs to a machine, insurance on machinery, indirect wages, power, lighting, ESI. So all this we have to say under which basis it goes, under which basis it goes. Fine. So when I tell about depreciation of machinery, that is cost of machinery, building, floor area, repairs, cost of machine, insurance on machinery, it is cost of machinery, indirect wages, it is direct wages, power units, lighting, light points, ESI, number of workers. So this is the expenses, and these are the bases which you're going to calculate. Fine. Now we have to calculate and we have to find out the ratio for that. So here when you see in the question cost of machinery, that is depreciation of machinery, cost of machinery, what they have given, the cost of machinery, it is 60,000, 2,40,000 and 3 lakh. So we are going to calculate with the multiplication of 6. When you're calculating, when you're subtracting, when you're deleting all the zeros, when you're minusing all the zeros, we get 6 is to 24 is to 30. So we have to see under which table it divisible by. It will divisible by 6. Next one is building. Building, it is space occupied. Building, it is space occupied, it is 800, 1,600, 1,600. So it is 8 is to 16 is to 16. It will get divisible by a table 8. Next one is indirect wages. That is indirect wages, direct wages. So how much is it? 2,400, 4,800, 4,800. So when you are deleting all the zeros, you'll get 24, 48 and 48. So it will get multiplied with the table 24. Next one is power. Next one is power. Next one is, when I speak with regarding to power, we are going to take into consideration the power units, that is 60,000, 20,000 and 40,000. 60,000, 20,000 and 40,000. When you are subtracting all the zeros, you get 6 is to 2 is to 4. It will get divisible into a table 2. Next one is light, that is light points. 16 is to 48 is to 96. 16 is to 48 is to 96. It will get into a table 16. Last one, it is number of workers. Number of workers, it is with regarding to number of workers, 8, 8, 16 and 16. So you will get into a table 8. So this is the basic calculation which you have to do it, and you have to get multiplied with the expenses to know depreciation of machinery for machine 1, how much is it, by taking into consideration the ratio. Machine 2, how much is the expenses. Machine 3, how much is the expenses. So first you have to calculate the ratio. After calculating the ratio, then you have to put the expenses into particular machines. What is the expenses of depreciation? It may be repairs, it may be insurance, power, lighting, ESI, everything. You have to first find out the ratio. After finding out the ratio, then we have to calculate this. One more thing, in the question they have asked hours worked. Hours worked, that is machine work, how many hours they have worked. They have worked for 500 hours. Machine 2, it is 600 hours. Machine 3, it is 800 hours. What is the question here? The question here is we have to provide a detail with regarding to machine hour rate. So how much is machine 1? It is 14,400 is the total expense of machine 1, divided by 500. I get 28.8 is the machine hour rate of machine 1. Fine. Machine 2, it is 25,680 divided by how many hours this machine 2 has worked. It has run for 600 hours, divided by 600 hours. I get 42.8. Next one, machine 3, it is 800 hours. It has worked for 800 hours. How much is the total expenses of this? That is the total overhead expenses of machine 3. It is 31,520. 20 divided by 800. I get 39.4.